Good morning. Bale, update ko lang yung presyo ng Boysen latex. Yung bestseller natin Boysen Flat 701, Boysen Semi-Gloss 715, and yung Boysen Gloss 710. No? Yung gallon niya ng Boysen Flat, which is ganito, 701 na yan, 701 latex. Yung primer niya na 1 gallon, 4 liter siya, 630. And then yung gloss and semi-gloss, same price sila, 730. And yung balde, which is the 16 liters, diba? 16 liters, 710 and 715 are the same price, no? Bali